घरं नाकारली जात आहेत. काल परवाकडे कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडूमधून रसमलाई आली होती. तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय. तुझा काय संबंध आहे इथे याचा. यांच्यासाठीच माननीय बाळासाहेब बोलले होते, हटाव लुंगी आणि आता नाही दाक्षिणात्य इथे राहत आहेत. काल परवाकडे कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडूमधून रसमलाई आली होती. तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय.
Raj Thakre's latest obnoxious, hateful attack on South Indians, cleverly routed through a personal assault on the BJP's K. Annamalai, is not a surprise. It is not new. It is especially not shocking just days before the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation election. It is signature Raj Thakre fare. Is anyone really surprised? This year, the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, or MNS, turns 20. That's right, it's 20 years old. And 2 decades on, its political balance sheet is almost comical. 0 seats in the Maharashtra Assembly. It lost its solitary seat in last year's election. 0 seats in the Lok Sabha ever. 1 lonely seat, embarrassing 1 lonely seat in the BMC. The Manase, as it is called, once ran Nashik's municipal corporation, now reduced to irrelevance. A tiny fig leaf of influence of Raj Thakre in the Kalyan Dombivli area, and that is about it. For a party that shouts this loud, and you heard the ugly rhetoric of Raj Thakre, for a party that slaps this many people on a daily basis and flexes this much muscle, the reality is bark far worse than bite. Raj Thakre pretty much defines that phrase. His frothing incitement against Tamils and South Indians, even when disguised as a personal attack on the BJP's Annamalai, is a naked confession, I believe, of political bankruptcy. When you have no imagination, no footprint, no future roadmap, you fall back on identity rage and manufactured enemies like Raj Thakre has done. First it was North Indians, now it is South Indians. That has always been Raj Thakre's calling card. Despite it not working for him in 20 years, he's a big fat 0 in Maharashtra politics. But here is where this gets more embarrassing for others. Most immediately for the Udhav Sena, which has just embraced Raj Thakre. The cousins have come together. A party that has tried to project moderation and inclusiveness since its split with the BJP, the Udhav Sena, now stands completely exposed. Either it condemns Raj Thakre's bigotry or admits its hands are tied, rather than this silly, preposterous conspiracy theories it is peddling of the BJP handing Mumbai to Gujarat, etc. The Congress party too takes collateral damage. Alliance politics cuts both ways, my friends. The India alliance cannot pretend this poison does not seep across from the Thakre handshake. With the Tamil Nadu election just 3 weeks away, few weeks away, the election is deafening. Apart from Annamalai and the Tamil Nadu BJP, almost everyone else is silent. Even the BJP in Maharashtra and at a national level is nervous that in Maharashtra, afraid to upset the Marathi Manus calculus ahead of the BMC polls. Raj Thakre has not changed his hateful, bigoted, cynical stripes. That was never in doubt. What he has really exposed, unintentionally, is how brittle, fearful, jittery and cowardly our politics becomes when elections are right ahead.
यांच्यासाठीच माननीय बाळासाहेब बोलले होते, हटाव लुंगी आणि
Raj Thakre reviving the toxic and offensive slogan from the 1960s in the 2026 BMC elections. A fierce showdown erupted as Raj Thakre attacked, abused and mocked BJP's Annamalai after he called Mumbai an international, not just a Maharashtrian city.
Bombay is not a Maharashtra city, it is an international city. And this city has got a budget of 75,000 crore, not a small money.
As Raj mocked Annamalai as Rasmalai at a rally, he also dropped in the controversial Lungi slogan.
काल परवाकडे कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडूमधून रसमलाई आली होती. तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय. तुझा काय संबंध आहे इथे यायचा? यांच्यासाठीच माननीय बाळासाहेब बोलले होते, हटाव लुंगी आणि
The slogan Hatao Lungi Bajao Pungi, literally translated as remove the lungi wearers, blow the pipe, is a slur that dates back to the mid-1960s. It was the foundational rallying cry of the Shiv Sena founded by Raj Thakre's uncle Balasaheb Thakre. At the time, the Shiv Sena accused South Indians who held a large number of white-collar and clerical jobs in the city's private sector of taking opportunities away from the local Marathi-speaking population. The Sons of the Soil movement used this slur to galvanize the Marathi youth, leading to a decade of heightened linguistic tensions and occasional physical confrontations. Later in its political life, Shiv Sena moved to Hindutva, but over 6 decades later, Raj has reignited the horrific memories of the restive decades when South Indians were an open target of hate in Mumbai. BJP leader K. Annamalai on Monday hit back sharply at Raj Thakre.
சிவசேனா இன்னைக்கு தாக்கரேவோட சிவசேனா அவங்களுடைய பத்திரிகை நம்ம முரசொலி மாதிரி சாம்னான்னு ஒன்று வச்சுருக்கானுங்க. அதில் எழுதியிருக்கானுங்க, மும்பைக்குள்ளே வந்தால் என் காலை வெட்டுவேன், இங்க் அடிப்பேன். நான் மும்பைக்கு வரத்தான் போகிறேன், நீ இங்க் அடிச்சுப்பாரு, காலை வெட்டிப்பாரு, அதெல்லாம் ரெண்டு ஒன்று பார்த்துடலாம்.
Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis backed his party colleague, saying that he was not wrong in calling Mumbai an international city. The CM rubbished Raj Thakre's comments as laughable. By invoking the Lungi slur ahead of the BMC elections, Raj Thakre is attempting to reclaim the nativist mantle. For Thakre, the slogan is a tool to consolidate the Marathi Manus vote bank. But such rhetoric is a regressive step that threatens the cosmopolitan fabric of Mumbai.
It may be a local election for a municipal corporation, but the BMC campaign is an extremely vitriolic and a bruising one. And the familiar campaign theme now has boiled down to the Mumbaikar versus outsiders. The Thakre brothers have united after 20 years, and this time they have raised the pitch for Mumbai Asmita. They have called it a battle of survival for Mumbaikar, the Marathi Manus. If so far at the receiving end was the North Indian, the so-called Bhaiya, this time around it is the turn of the South. With BJP former president from Tamil Nadu, K. Annamalai, campaigning in Mumbai, and a comment he made about Mumbai being an international city, it has been taken up by the MNS and Shiv Sena as an affront not just to Mumbai but Maharashtra as a whole. The convenient straw man argument has been raked up yet again. Slurs have been used. An old slogan which was insulting to Tamils has again been repeated by Raj Thakre, but from the India camp, the INDIA camp, there is a conspicuous silence. But is this the battle? Is this the issue that Mumbaikars want at this point in 2025? That remains the million-dollar question.
And when Raj Thakre says, Hatao Lungi, Bajao Pungi, there is a history to it, except that he ends up looking like a cartoon saying it in the current political circumstances. But it actually goes way back to the 1960s when Raj Thakre's uncle Bal Thakre, in a very, very separate kind of political atmosphere, led a vicious anti-Tamil movement. This was over jobs in Maharashtra and especially in Mumbai. It was a Sons of the Soil ideology targeting South Indians in Mumbai. This was in the early 60s when Bal Thakre riled up this anti-immigrant sentiment through his then magazine called Marmik. Marmik published lists of non-Maharashtrians heading major companies. This actually happened on Bal Thakre's watch. In 1966, Bal Thakre formally launched what became the Shiv Sena. The Sena accused South Indians of taking away the jobs of the Marathis, and that's how this identity politics of Marathi Manus was actually birthed. In the late 60s and 70s, the peak anti-South Indian agitation took place in Maharashtra. The Sena used derogatory terms like lungi wale for South Indians. Many attacks on South Indian communities and businesses actually took place. Udupi restaurants, theatres screening South films were routinely attacked in 60s and 70s Mumbai. The Shiv Sena under Bal Thackeray promoted slogans such as Lungi Hatao, Pungi Bajao, which his nephew Raj Thackeray has kept alive just to target Tamil. So this is the legacy of that phrase that Raj Thackeray has so hatefully and bigotedly used in this fresh controversy from Mumbai right before the BMC elections. Now let's go straight to our discussion tonight. Joining me live, Devashish Mark is a spokesperson of the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. He's also the Maharashtra Vice President of Raj Thakray's party. Asif Bhamla, spokesperson of the BJP in Maharashtra. Kasturi Shankar is an actor and activist from cinema in the South Indian states. And Sujata Pandey is a political analyst and also a prominent Mumbaikar. Devashish, I will come to you first. Pehle to, why does the lungi scare you so much, sir? Lungi se itna डर क्यों लगता है आपको?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. It's not about that. It's about a reaction which has come from an action, unnecessary action. And whereas Mr. Annamalai is, I think, is ex IPS officer. He's a very educated person, and statements from him, like one statement is very much welcomed, as he stated, Bombay is an international. Bombay, it's Mumbai. Bombay, or rather Mumbai. Mumbai is a international city. Yes, it is an international city for sure. And secondly, he stated that Bombay is not part of Maharashtra.
No,
now, I just want to ask Mr. Annamalai, if Mumbai is not part of Maharashtra, then who's the CM?
He didn't say
Mr.
that.
Donald Trump or Mr.
Devashish,
me myself, I am a Punjabi. I am an outsider.
You are
I
indulging in
love this
misinformation.
city.
He didn't
I love
say-
this culture.
he didn't say
I love
Mumbai is
local
not part of
Maharashtrian language.
Maharashtra. He didn't say
One more
Mumbai
point
is
I
not
want to raise.
Can I-
Bhojpuri actors
I'll come to you.
what
Asif.
you-
Let Devashish finish.
came to Mumbai for Prachar Sabha,
Yeah.
and then they sang in Bhojpuri language
So
instead of singing in Hindi.
what?
So because the local language of UP is not Hindi, it is Bhojpuri. Local language of Bihar is not Hindi, it is Bihar, it is Maithili.
So
At the same way, local language of Mumbai, Maharashtra is Marathi.
So what?
Instead of disrespecting the local people, like I am also a Mumbaikar.
Who are
South
you?
Indians should
Who are you to tell people what language to speak? Who are you to tell people what language to speak and that
We
you
are
will
not.
cut off
We are
their
not.
legs
We are.
and bajao pungi and this, that and the other?
In yesterday's rally, Raj Sahib has clearly said we are not opposing Hindi. We are opposing forceful imposition of Hindi. We are not.
But who are you all to oppose this?
We are in opposition of
Who are you all to oppose this? Mandate क्या है आपके पास?
The same thing. And the same thing is happening. Same.
आप लोग के पास mandate क्या है?
Tamil Nadu.
I want to be specific tonight. First of all, Devashish,
We don't want to do this.
I
We
don't
don't
like
want to do that.
interrupting my
एक single
guests.
seat है क्या आपके पास?
One
If
second,
people would be
Asif,
interrupting
wait,
like that, I won't be able to talk.
अरे आपके
One second, Asif, hold on. I don't like interrupting my guests. I want to give everyone fair
That's what.
time. Devashish, you are also a guest on the
Thank you
show.
so
I will
much.
not interrupt you. I am simply saying.
Thank you so much.
You are misquoting Annamalai. He did not say Mumbai does not
He said that,
belong
sir.
to Maharashtra.
He said that, sir. It's not a- it's
Mumbai
not a-
does
it's
not
not
only
part of
belong to
Maharashtra, sir. He said
Maharashtra.
that.
It's also an international city. There's
No,
a
it is
big
not, sir. He
difference.
first stated. No, sir. There is a big difference. That's what I'm trying to tell you, trying to explain you.
No, there's a
First
big
of all,
difference in
आना
what
ही
you
नहीं
are saying.
चाहिए था.
Let's
This
put all our
shouldn't be
guests back in
the
the
question.
No.
कि Mumbai is a part of Maharashtra or not.
No.
I'll give you a simple
He's not
example,
said
sir.
that.
I'll
This
give
is
you a simple
this is
example.
Can I-
Where these kind of
this is a
statements are
blatant
welcome.
falsehood, Devashish.
He is Maithili Thakur, newly elected BJP MLA. He is singing in Marathi.
So what?
See,
Can I come in, please?
No, so what?
Can
What
I
is
come
the
in?
point?
so we are welcoming such
Can
kind
I-
of statements,
can I
and we disown such kind of statements where they are stating that Mumbai is not
Shiv,
an integral
can I
part of
rebut?
Maharashtra.
No. So what
Can
is
I-
It is a reaction.
You're diverting the
And
issue.
if the
Devashish, you are-
BJP
No,
people have
क्या Shiv,
This
can I
statement was
rebut?
quoted to Mr. Banasaheb Thackeray in 1960.
No. I'm sorry. That was a very different context. That was also totally offensive and unneeded. But that was
Shiv,
a
Sir,
Can
right
different
I-
now,
context
can I-
sir, right now,
altogether.
sir, right now in 2025,
No.
still they're using
instances दिखा रहे हो आप लोग?
No, one second.
There is a picture.
Talk about the
In the
corporation
manifesto.
election,
What-
na?
what-
Only
taking-
sir.
No, Devashish, I have to be very firm here. You are taking
Yes.
one issue, you're making it two issues, and then trying to hide behind a third issue. This is unacceptable.
No one's trying to hide, sir.
You have misquoted Annamalai. He did not say that at all. What you have quoted is him as saying is outright dangerous. Nobody has said that. Because if somebody said that Mumbai does not belong to Maharashtra or Mumbai does not belong to India, that would be treated as secessionist. That would be treated as
Can I come in, Shiv?
under Indian law. Okay, and Annamalai has not said that. I don't speak for Annamalai.
Shiv, I
but
have
know what he
another
said.
debate.
I think you should place whatever
I
you
have
have
another
stated in the
debate.
rally,
Yes, I would
public
say
rally.
whatever
You
you
have stated
want,
that.
but you are misquoting him. You are
Shiv,
completely misquoting
I have
him.
another
Asif
debate.
Bamla, come in, yes.
So can I? Yeah, because I have another debate. Kindly give me a chance to, rebut my statements. Let me tell you that the BMC elections are crucial as it determines the control of Asia's biggest and the wealthiest civic body, which has a budget of more than 75,000 crores. Now, what is the issue of a common man? Good roads, the sewerage system, the cleanliness part, that is a samasya, an AQI, which a Mumbaikar deals with. So this is an election time. Talk on issues which relate to Mumbaikars, where Mumbaikars also know, okay, we've already, after the Bharatiya Janata Party government has come under Devendra Fadnavis ji, we've started the concretization of roads. So we've ensured that all the utilities are now under the newly concretized roads. So you don't have to
people to be lungi and pungi and South Indians.
Now, Shiv, give me a fair time. You've given him the others a fair time, so you have to give me a fair time, please. This doesn't go this way. So coming back to the actual मूल issue जो से कहते हैं ना इस शहर का, हम उसकी बात करते हैं. अब इनके पास कोई इशू है तो नहीं, इनका ब्लूप्रिंट गाजते नाचते रह गए, कुछ था नहीं उसमें दम, उसमें कोई है नहीं, खुद तो कुछ एक भी प्रतिनिधि भी चुनकर लाए नहीं उन्होंने, पिछले चुनाव में अपने बेटे को जीतकर नहीं ला पाए. उसके बाद भी आप ये कहते हो कि इस शहर में ये नहीं रहेगा, वो नहीं रहेगा, ये व्हाट डिड Annamalai say? I want to rebut on that. Annamalai said that Mumbai is a commercial capital of the world. So it's not just a city of Maharashtra, it's a world class city. क्या गलत है? और इस वर्ल्ड क्लास सिटी को बनाने में मुंबई कर, महाराष्ट्र और पूरे हर वो शख्स, चाहे वो साउथ इंडिया से आया, नॉर्थ इंडिया से, हर एक का योगदान है. एक कामयाब शहर जब होता है तो उसको बसने बसाने में कई हाथ लगते हैं. आपके पास तो कोई मुद्दा ही नहीं है. आपको नहीं, give me 30 seconds शिव. आपके पास आपको सिर्फ जो है ये इशू और ये गुंडागिरी, गरीब कमजोर लोगों को मारना, आज इसने तो मनसे के वजह से तो कांग्रेस ने इनका साथ छोड़ दिया, आपके एमवीए के अलायंस ने ही उनके साथ छोड़ दिया. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, दे आर पीपल विद नो एजेंडा. मुंबई का
Devashish, answer that. Devashish, answer that, because
there is a CEO.
I'll just give you a short brief.
Like Raj Thackeray,
Devendra Fadnavis, who
you
believes
made your point, Asif
in a
Bamla.
progressive approach
Devashish,
in the interest and the betterment of Maharashtra. You will see that mayor will be of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the forthcoming election. 16th
Asif, I'll
of
give you time. Devashish,
Bharatiya Janata Party
the other guests are also waiting patiently. But Devashish, quick reply if you want to.
Yeah.
Is that the message to the public, Devashish, the message to the public is that Raj Thackeray and Manse have no issues. You are bankrupt as far as ideas and vision are concerned.
नहीं, sir, not at all.
The only pick up your
विषय पे मुद्दे पे बात करो, उसकी जानकारी
you have nothing to offer the people of Mumbai.
किसी का राज
Asif, hold your peace.
I'll tell you right now. Before Sena coming into
Mumbai
in local
law and
BMC,
order
Brahmanpur
cannot be taken in the hand.
the BMC was
Law and
deficit of
order
600
cannot be
crores.
taken in the hand.
After we leaving it 2022, it was in surplus of 92,000 crores. And right now, it is almost bankrupt now. So who's looting BMC, who's not looting BMC, it's there in the forum.
But
Secondly, आप अगर बोल रहे हो लोकल मुद्दा ही नहीं कोई, आप डेवलपमेंट की बात नहीं कर रहे.
जेल के सलाखों पे
अच्छा BMC का लोकल बॉडी इलेक्शंस है. Why
based on the debate?
आपके कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को हमने जेल के सलाखों के पीछे भागा जिनसे आप लोगों ने कट कमीशन लिया है.
This is a debate about I want to say this one thing. One sec. This debate is not about.
Is this the issue of raising Bangladeshi questions?
The debate is about the
Bangladeshi infiltrator was staying there.
Thackeray and what he said.
अरे ये इधर नहीं, वो उधर नहीं, मजाक लगा रखा है महाराष्ट्र में आप लोगों ने.
I am unable
ये
to get-
देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी की सरकार में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का
Let me
पेरिल
bring-
विल नॉट वर्क.
let me bring
The rule
Sujata
of
Pandey.
law and the rule of land will
Let me
work.
bring
Let me
Sujata
tell you,
Pandey in. Please allow me.
this is not
Asif.
a banana republic.
Asif, calm down. Let me bring the others in also. Sujata Pandey, what do you make of Raj Thakrae's, hatao lungi, bajao pungi? It has a long history in Mumbai. Everybody
shameful
remembers that phrase. It's not been pulled out of thin air. There is a history and a kind of background to this phrase. What is he hoping to gain from it? Is it even appropriate in this day and age?
So tell the BJP
See,
Balasaheb Thackeray's
Shiv,
sentences then.
Yes.
thank you
Just a
for calling
repetition,
and good
to an action.
good evening to all my fellow panelists. I think while we are debating a 1960s playlist from Balasaheb Thackeray's, politics.
Yeah.
I mean, would someone please tell MLAs that while they are doing all this divisive politics and calling Anna Malai Das Malai, which by the way is the fantastic sweet if you compare to a Karela politics of MLS, but I have to remind you that do you know that 6 people die every day, Shiv, while commuting between Kalyan and Thane, the heart of the Mumbai, the Marathi Manus. There are 100 Marathi schools have been shut during these 30 years of BMC, leadership under the UBT and this Matoshri drama that goes on. Why is that no one is talking about that after 75,000 crore budget of BMC, which Raj Thackeray and the Uddhav Thackeray family dominated, why a common Marathi Manus is still living under 300 square feet area and the pregnant women are forced to go to toilet in a bus which is parked right outside the house in the midst of the night. There are other issues to be discussed. What Raj Thackeray is doing? Can I just explain it? One, he's of course trying to get the Marathi Manus sentiment, but I think Marathi Manus aspirations have grown, but Raj Thackeray and MNS politics is strong, which is seen by the number. I don't need to elaborate on the big zero everywhere. What he's doing here, Shiv, just give me 20 seconds. Very important. I think what he's trying to do is to take away the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray from Uddhav Thackeray, because he's doing exactly what Balasaheb Thackeray did in his initial days, because this is the only golden opportunity he's got. After 30 years, these two brothers have come, and this he will not get another time again. So he is trying all his heart out. He's doing all the playbooks from the Balasaheb Thackeray, which could establish him as the real Balasaheb Thackeray legacy carry forward.
This is especially...
And this is the reason why Uddhav Thackeray is keeping quiet, because he also knows that behind this, this do bhai saath mein aa gaye hai, because hone wala inka kuch bhi nahi hai. That everybody knows that.
Very interesting, and this also makes sense, Sujata Pandey. This also makes sense because the Uddhav faction of the Shiv Sena has also tried to formulate a very inclusive, moderate kind of image.
I just want to add
yes,
at
all. So that space has been
this
vacated.
This is Raj Thackeray's golden opportunity.
This is Devashi.
And that is why he's doing all this.
So this is political opportunism. Devashi, you are being accused of political opportunism.
Not really.
They have nothing to do with Marathi Manus.
Boss is
They have
desperate.
nothing to do with Marathi Manus, and Marathi Manus doesn't trust you.
Not really.
I have to tell you this. Marathi Manus
Not
is
really.
an aspirational Manus. Mumbai is a city of dreams.
Not
Mumbai
really.
is built by
Not really.
inclusion. Mumbai is not
Devashish
built by
answer. Let
hate.
Devashish answer.
Mumbai is
I think my learned friend has not heard about the concept of
Mumbai.
Kasturba, I'm coming to you. Kasturba, I'm coming to you.
Our taxes to Mumbai.
Mr.
And I
Martini.
dare you. And I dare you that,
क्या मकसद आ रही है क्या?
Force him. Varma ji, बस 30 seconds.
Can I come in, Shiv?
Let Devashish answer. Let Devashish
I just want to add one thing. That Anna Malai in a public rally clearly stated that
Brother, hold your peace.
Understand, you don't
Shiv,
need
can I come in?
I'm coming to you, Asif. Just hold on. Let me try and control this debate. Sounds like the inside of a Mumbai local, but yeah, Devashish.
No, but
let him answer. Let him answer.
But what rationale
is also
are
very
you drawing
come
out
to you,
of
Kasturi,
this?
in a moment. Let Devashish answer.
asking you, what is the
I'm so
rationale?
sorry.
Let Devashish answer once. Then let Devashish answer.
I'll just ask one question. Where in a public rally, Anna Malai just just suggested that the Thackeray brothers, Thackeray cousins have lost the plot. They are not following what Balasaheb Thackeray has followed. He said that we follow Balasaheb Thackeray. So now this statement and this quote was stated by Mr. Balasaheb Thackeray in 1960. So does he
And
respect this
then,
statement?
can I just add 10 seconds?
Just a
10 seconds.
This is not against the Tamilians. This is just against a particular individual.
अरे आप
who
लोग
stated that
होते
Mumbai
कौन
is
है?
not a part of
आप
Maharashtra.
लोग कौन होते हैं
If you're talking about the development,
भारतीयों के
if you're
खिलाफ
talking
बात
about the
करते हैं,
development,
जो साउथ वालों के खिलाफ बात करते हैं? आप लोगों का क्या एंटाइटलमेंट है क्या शहर को मराठी मानुस का जो
I don't-
आप लोग
I-
झंडा
I
लेकर
don't
घूम रहे हो?
understand
मराठी
something.
सब है, देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी मराठी, आशीष शेलार मराठी है, अमित शाह मराठी है, तो क्या महाराष्ट्र का क्या आप लोग ने कॉपीराइट
Let
एक्ट
me
किया
get
क्या?
the only voice that is not from the not from Mumbai here. Let me get the only
Ashish
non-Mumbai voice.
ji, so
Shiv, I want to
Ashish ji and
continue,
Amit
please. I
Shah
have not
ji
been given a chance to
being
speak, and I have to go another
Shiv.
debate.
No, okay.
Shiv, Ashish ji,
Shiv,
Stay with us.
Ashish ji,
Very
Shelar
I have
ji,
another
and
debate. Can I
Amit Shah ji were
Ashish, give my
standing
version, please?
corporators and sitting
Before you go, you listen to my point of view as well. You know,
Kasturi,
you keep saying
Kasturi,
your
yes,
voice
yes.
go away, and it's
Madam.
very
Listen to
important for
Kasturi,
me
guys. She's
to
from the
register
south.
my point of view here as
Please,
well. You're all Mumbaikars.
Give me a
I
chance to
am from the
rebut.
south. मैं मद्रासी हूँ.
That-
तो आप नहीं जानना चाहते कि एक मद्रासी क्या समझता है?
Devashish,
Please
listen
बोलिए,
to the
आपके
Lungi
बाद
wala.
मैं बोलूंगा.
Madam Madrasi
आप हमारी बहन है, आप बोलिए, आपके बाद मैं बोलूंगा.
It is Chennai.
Devashish,
हमारी
Devashish,
बहन हो,
It is not Madras, it is
आपके बाद
Chennai.
मैं बोलूंगा.
Don't disrespect the local
One second,
government.
guys.
Please
Gentlemen,
Okay,
you have to be a
listen,
little
Mr.
bit.
Devashish, you don't need to
Listen,
tell me to respect and not to respect about my own land. Please stick to defaming people in your space. Mr. Raj Thackeray has problems with everything. North Indians के साथ उसका कुछ दिक्कत है. जया बच्चन के साथ दिक्कत है, ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेटर्स के साथ दिक्कत है, अभी धारावी के लोग के साथ दिक्कत है. Excuse me, you have a problem with rasmalai also. You have problem with food items also. That is your problem. आपका तो सब चीजों के बारे में problem है. But let me tell you what we Tamilians think. Please stop talking, sir. Please stop talking. I will not be able to shout over you. That तो नहीं
Devashish, one
होगा.
second.
Please
You have
give
to
me
be
that.
fair. Devashish, you have to be
You
fair.
are a very bad
You're
role
being very
model
unfair.
Can I come in?
of the Marathi Manus.
Let her
This is
answer.
what you're teaching your vote bank. Please give some
Okay, can I
respect
come in,
to a
Shiv,
person
now?
who's talking. Never mind if he's a woman.
So the
Okay,
BJP is voting
so
outside
this is
of
what
the bank.
Tamilians think of Mumbai. We think of Mumbai as a welcoming city.
Yeah.
We think of Mumbaikars as miracle workers. You know, every day I go, my tenant, I'm a landlady, my tenant is a Marathi guy. He works for a Tamil firm. And almost every other cricket match, we are sitting there cheering on our Mumbai Indians team because everybody loves Rohit Sharma. Now, are we going to sit there and figure out who is Marathi Manus? Who is, and he loves Hema Malini, he loves Sridevi, we love the Mumbai
again a
Indians,
misquote.
and we
It's
think
again
of it
a
as a
misquote.
welcoming city, a land of opportunity, where everybody goes by the Mumbai local,
10 seconds,
where
Shiv.
everybody goes
The
and
local-
works
the
the
local
same
people
way,
have created
where
such
only
atmosphere,
work
such
and
welcoming atmosphere.
dedication
Okay, let
lead
like
to
you
success. But
Can I
you
come
know
in?
what?
Years and
We do
years.
not
Kasturi,
think
let
of
Devashish
Raj
listen.
Thackeray as
Kasturi, you are
anything.
triggered.
Thank
You are
God.
completely
Today,
Maharashtrians
today
are-
Tamilians
by the way.
found out. Today Tamil Nadu found out
You know that
about Raj
outsiders,
Thackeray's
you and me
20
are coming
years
here
of
and are
hate
students.
Can I
rhetoric.
come in?
And
Generation is
today,
staying since
people who are
20 years.
watching this debate will find out that it's not just the
Shiv, can I
leader,
come in?
but the entire party
to
is
Asif.
corroded
Hold on.
from top to bottom with
Yeah,
haters
Shiv,
like
can I
you.
come in?
Asif,
not
go
a
ahead,
short
go
move.
ahead.
Shiv,
Go
what
ahead,
I
Asif.
am trying to tell you is,
One at a time, please, guys.
Shiv,
One at a time.
The local
okay,
Maharashtrians-
Shiv, now please, I've been given a time. Devashish, please let me continue.
yes.
I have some sanity on debates. Don't become like your leader who believes in just intruding into anything. Please have some decency. We are all civilized people
Asif,
here
I
on
am
the
an
panel.
advocate. I am an
So
advocate.
as-
You are civilized citizens of this.
Yeah, so you are
And all
advocate. It
people.
doesn't mean that you are only civilized, okay? So there are other people also. Advocate का मतलब आपने कोई सर्टिफिकेट नहीं लेकर civilization की. आप थोड़ा civilization सीखिए. अभी आप टीवी पे आ रहे, अच्छी बात है, अभिनंदन.
बहाने हैं उनके.
Asif, मुझे आपसे
They
सीखने की
don't.
जरूरत नहीं है.
He's just bringing up his advocate
नहीं,
credentials.
तो मुझे
He's not even human, right?
Okay,
People who
Shiv,
keep
can
saying-
I speak now, please, ma'am?
Just 2
Can I
minutes.
speak?
I
Can I
just
have
want
an
to say,
uninterrupted time?
people who bring back
Asif ji, unko bhi leadership-
80-year-old
I'm giving them time.
swear
Okay.
slurs and swear words
Okay.
are completely
Shiv, can I speak now,
emotionally and
please,
morally
Shiv?
bankrupt. You
Shiv,
have
can I
nothing.
speak?
What have you done for your Marathi Manus, sir? That
Shiv,
except
Shiv,
आपके
can I
पास तो
speak,
काम ही
please?
बचा नहीं. That
Okay,
is why
ma'am,
you've
thank you.
gone back to
Can
your
I-
lungi hatana business. Please go do that only.
Sure.
Because
Coming to
other
you,
people in
Asif,
Mumbai
give me
have
30
much
seconds.
better things.
Shiv, I am not able to get a chance to speak at all, please. I'm so sorry. I think I should be leaving this debate.
Can I just get 20
Thank you.
seconds of
So
silence?
what, Shiv, what I am trying to say is here that Shiv, what I am trying to say here, the people of Maharashtra know that with the BJP at the center and in Maharashtra, a BJP-led BMC ensures seamless coordination
point.
and
Asif,
faster
you made
clearances
that point.
and
We heard
better,
that.
and
We heard that
better
point.
funding accesses.
We heard that point. That's fine. That's fine. Your point is
Okay.
noted. Sujata, you wanted to make a point on this.
Yeah. अरे आप बोलने ही नहीं दे रहे हो मुझे, आप बात ही नहीं करने दे रहे हो मुझे।
Ashish,
2
Ashish,
सेकंड
use the
Come on, we're all friends here. Just relax.
आप
I'm
दूसरों को
coming to you.
कितना वक्त दे रहे हो मुझे? I'm a spokesperson of a ruling party.
You have to come forward.
Okay, let Asif finish his point. Asif, you're losing your cool. Just go ahead. Finish your point.
What my submission here to you is that,
Go ahead.
sir, the people of Mumbai have been suffering with the rule of this 25 years old.
Got it.
And these both brothers, why did they split earlier? जब split हुए तो एक दूसरे के कपड़े फाड़ रहे थे. आज आप एक साथ हुए. We were not the one who told you to go against each other.
Yeah, that's a
And
fair
now
point.
that you have come to each other that much doesn't mean that you have the entitlement of the Marathi Manus. Everybody in Maharashtra, whoever stays in Maharashtra from more than 40-50 years, is a Marathi. चाहे वो किसी भी मजहब का हो, चाहे वो साउथ इंडियन हो, नॉर्थ इंडियन हो, हर एक की प्राथमिकता है. ये थोड़ी कोई गुंडागर्दी है.
let Sujata speak
ये
now.
कर दोगे तो आपको मैं कर दूंगा.
Sujata is the only one not interrupting
आपके
anyone.
पास आपको जनता ने एक सीट चुन के नहीं दिया. आप इतने
आशीष जी.
और आप देखिएगा इस चुनाव में भी 5
Sujata, let Sujata.
डिबेट को जाना है,
चैलेंज है
आपको नहीं जाना है क्या?
This is not
Asif,
right.
it's like you're giving
आप
a
किसी
election
को
speech
डरा
now.
धमका
Hold
के-
on.
अच्छा
अरे,
कमजोर दूध वाले
okay.
को जो हॉकर
बाबला जी रुक जाइए.
is that the tradition, is that the सभ्यता of आदरणीय बाबा साहब ठाकरे and Baba Saheb Ambedkar संविधान, is that what it teaches?
Sir, let your colleagues also say a few words. Asif sir, we've heard you. Your point is well noted. You have argued it.
No, it's a shameful thing
Sujata answer.
that leaders
Let Sujata
are
add some-
resorting to
Hold on,
this
hold on, you
sort
made
of a
your point.
regional.
So to start with,
This is
I
not
think
fair. This is not fair.
to start with, I just
Let
wanted to
Sujata
mention
speak.
that insult to call Annamalai as a Rasmalai is not just an insult to South India. I think it's an insult to all India, all Bharat, because we are all Indians. And I mean, according to Constitution, we are all allowed to live wherever we want in the boundaries of India, the geography of India, and that right Constitution gives us. Number two, someone remind MNS and his party chief Raj Thackeray that even Bala Saheb Thackeray could not become a national figure by doing divisive politics. He had to leave that and stand for a Hindu united. I'm a mad Hindu.
अरे कांग्रेस से alliance तोड़ दिया इनके साथ.
That made Bala Saheb Thackeray the Hindu Hriday Samrat. So if Raj Thackeray wants to take forward the legacy of Bala Saheb Thackeray, he has to not play the divisive politics. He has to play the Hindutva politics. That is the free advice I'm giving as a political analyst. Look at the history. Don't look at it into fragments. You will get nothing. And that is also shown by the track
Let
record.
Devashish
You lost
answer.
in
Asif, hold your peace. I know you're
Lok
going to
Sabha,
jump
you
in.
lost in Vidhan Sabha.
Let Devashish
You lose
answer.
in the BMC election also because people want vision. People want क्या delivery करेंगे. People do not want कि Marathi
Sujata, let Devashish answer. Sujata has offered political advice to the Manse. Devashish has been very patient.
I think she's.
Devashish
I
can
think
answer.
she's. Thank you, Shiv. She's answering like she's a spokesperson. Asif ji, आपकी जगह खतरे में है. She's answering as if she's a spokesperson of
मेरी
BJP.
जगह खतरे में
Which was thanks for coming to my
Come on.
मेरी जगह खतरे में नहीं है, तुम्हारी पार्टी खतरे में है.
I'll just answer, sir. I'll just
अरे
answer.
आपका तो बीएमसी खतरे में है. आप देखिए वहां से.
Sujata, let him
अभी
answer. You've asked him a question, let him
मुंबई
answer.
BJP president is stringent on his statements and is adamant on his statements where he says कि मुंबई का मेयर खान नहीं बनेगा. तो आसिफ जी, अगर आप बोल रहे हैं कि जाति धर्म में हम भेदभाव नहीं करेंगे और आप बोल रहे हैं कि ठाकरे ब्रदर्स का रिश्ता फिर एक हो गए, पूरी जिंदगी बीजेपी का पूरा जिंदगी एमआईएम के खिलाफ हो गया. में महाराष्ट्र में अकोट में बीजेपी ने एमआईएम के साथ में ही कोलैबोरेशन किया. कश्मीर में महबूबा मुफ्ती के साथ में ही कोलैबोरेशन किया सर. सो ये दूर
कोलैबोरेशन कश्मीर में किया तो उसका मतलब क्या? उसका मतलब अब यहाँ आप लोग का मसला ये है ना कि आप यहाँ मुंबई छोड़कर पूरे विश्व की बात करते हो, आप साउथ की बात करते हो, नॉर्थ की बात करते हो। अरे भाई वो विषय के लिए, वो चर्चा के लिए मुंबई के विकास की हम बात कर रहे हैं, उसमें आप महबूबा मुफ्ती को ला रहे हो, उसमें आपने जमाने भर को लिया। क्यों? आपके you all are hollow. You all don't have an agenda. You all don't have
agenda हिंदू मुस्लिम
perspective for the Mumbaikars. Except for being violent. इसको आप बोल रहे हो लूंगी। आप लोगों ने मजाक बना दिया है। महाराष्ट्र की जनता जो है ना, आप लोगों को जूते मारेगी और इस चुनाव के बाद आप देखोगे कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का मेयर बनेगा। ये दिस इज महाराष्ट्र इज नॉट ये आजकल बिहार में नहीं है। आप लोगों ने ये समझ कर बनेगा आप लोगों को ये महाराष्ट्र में हर मतलब राज्य से लोग आते हैं, हर राज्य के लोगों को काम करने का अधिकार है।
Let me speak to the two ladies now.
Sujata? Thank you.
Sujata,
yes.
No, my apologies. It's my job to try and control the guests, but this is
Mumbai, Shiv. Don't be apologetic. We live in a chaotic world. We love and we celebrate.
Noise and chaos. It is representative of what the issue is like. That's okay. I understand people's emotions on this also. But I simply want to ask, does such identity politics have any kind of resonance in an election like the BMC, Sujata? At all?
So in small pockets, Shiv, they might have, because the local candidate matters a lot.
Yeah.
So they might have little bit, whatever, but that's not enough for them to win that particular award. Because the aspirations of a Mumbaiker, a common Mumbaiker, the problems that they face are way different than what Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray is speaking. And in fact, that is why Devendra Fadnavis threw a challenge of 5,000 rupees that in all the speeches of the UBT and the MNS combined together, if someone comes up with any development plan that they have for Mumbai or Mumbaikar or Marathi Manus, he would award them 5,000, 10,000. None of it has happened because they are only talking about divisive politics, and that we know, Shiv, whether it is DMK, whether it is MNS, when they do not have issues, where they know that they are going to lose the seat of power, they will come to identity politics because that's the easiest way to cut, the conversation, and then you also get media attention. But then the media attention won't get them votes because people in Mumbai and especially Marathi Manus is tired of living in a 300 square feet house where he's only told कि ये मुंबई ये शहर ये सपनों की नगरी है, पर वो सपने कभी पूरे ही नहीं होते हैं क्योंकि मुंबई बीएमसी में जो बैठा है वो करप्शन करके बैठा है। 75,000 करोड़ का बजट है, लेकिन लोकल वार्ड्स पे जो स्पेंडिंग हुई है, it has come down from 18% to 11%. Why such questions are not asked?
Let Devashish answer and then I will give the final word to Kasturi. Yes, Devashish.
शिवजी, अगर इन्होंने बोला है कि अगर 70,000 करोड़ का जो बजट है, एनुअल बजट है, और 20 साल से करप्शन चल रहा है, तो 25 साल से शिवसेना सत्ता में है, दे आर देयर इन पावर इन बीएमसी, ठीक है। जो मेयर बैठता है शिवसेना का बैठता है, जो डीवाई मेयर है वो तो बीजेपी का बैठता है। मेनी स्टैंडिंग कमिटीज वर देयर विद द बीजेपी। तो आपको अगर टारगेट करना है तो आप फिर सेना बीजेपी को टारगेट कर रहे हैं, और आपका ये कहना है कि बीजेपी भी एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व है करप्शन में।
ओके, 30 seconds. BJP Sena, 30 seconds to you, Asif bhai. 30 seconds, then I will finish with.
That's not going to happen. He'll not stop.
ऐसे नहीं होता है.
30 seconds.
ऐसे नहीं होता है. This is not the way to present your case, sir. And we always speak about the local development. We always speak about the local issues.
Why are you not talking about that?
WHO, World Health Organization, have rightly mentioned in their booklet about the Dharavi pattern. That time, Uddhavji Thackeray was the CM of Maharashtra State, sir.
Kasturi, final word to you.
World Health Organization is not governed by.
Okay, all right. There are two things I need to say. Yeah. I've been to Dharavi as a special guest for a Sankranti celebration 2 years ago, and I have seen migrants from all parts of India in that area as well as locals, and I've seen them all live in harmony and suffer in unison. They have the same problems, they have the same issues. They're not talking about which language they're talking, what way they dress, what food they eat. They're all talking about what they get in electricity, water, roads, jobs, employment. This is what everybody there, including Sir, your Marathi Manus, everybody is having the same problems. And that's why they are all united in rejecting MNS and UBT. And I'd like to say this to the Marathi Manus that we all love back here in the southern states. None of them are represented by you. You know why? The Marathi Manus is much, much, much better than the vermin that you project them to be.
Okay, I'm going to end it there. Devashish, Sujata, Asif, Kasturi, thank you very much for being with me on this discussion. Most of it was chaos. I don't know if my viewers were able to hear anything, but that is how this election is also building up as. Please continue to watch NDTV's unmatched coverage from the ground in the beautiful city of Mumbai. Mumbai belongs to Maharashtra, Mumbai belongs to India, Mumbai is India's international city. All of those things are true and we love Amchi Mumbai. It is one of India's greatest cities and we will continue to report from that city in the big BMC election. Thanks to all my guests.